You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Good Thursday afternoon, everyone. Still a warmer than average day, but not as hot as yesterday in Northern California. 88 degrees right now in Red Bluff, where yesterday we had that record high of 100. 86 degrees right now in Chico, 90 degrees in Redding, and 88 warm degrees in Weaverville. But as you can see, 2 to 9 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago, and much bigger changes are coming as we get into this weekend. Just a couple high clouds moving to far northwestern California right now. Expecting more of those high clouds late tonight through early tomorrow. These are just cirrus clouds. They're going to keep us a little bit milder tomorrow morning. They'll disappear rapidly by the time the sun rises, but that just be joined by more clouds through the afternoon and evening hours. And even by tomorrow night, there will be some spotty showers of rain trying to fall over the highest elevations of Northern California. But keep an eye on the valley because we're not expecting much precipitation at all. There's a chance for showers with this incoming cold front and this trough of low pressure, but almost all the rain and even some high elevation snow is going to be falling in the highest elevations. We're going to have a lot more gusty wind, unfortunately, moving through, and the chances for rain after we get through Saturday are not looking very good. So looking at our finer resolution short-term futurecast for the amounts of rain that we're expecting in the next 48 to 60 hours, you'll notice almost all of it's going to be falling in the highest elevations near Mount Shasta, up to a ½ inch possible, but most places far less than that, and we'll have a chance for some showers around the valley, but it's not very likely. What you will notice, though, the cool down and the stronger wind coming our way. Not much wind on Friday, but by Friday afternoon, it starts to pick up, and that's going to get a lot windier on Saturday. This, unfortunately, is going to raise our fire danger. A lot of wind gusts between 25 and 35 miles an hour Saturday, Saturday night, and Sunday. So keep that in mind. Please do not do any burning. Although it will be cooler, we are going to have a lot more wind than we really want when we have such large fire danger. So wind advisory has been issued for Saturday morning through Sunday morning for most of Modoc County with gusts up to 40 miles an hour there. And for the first time in about 4 months, we actually have a freeze watch out for far eastern Modoc County, most of Lassen County, and also eastern Plumas County too. And temperatures will drop down between 25 and 32 degrees. So cover those plants, bring your pets inside. It's going to be too cold for them. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Expecting highs in the 70s and lower 80s around northwestern California, with increasing clouds throughout the afternoon. For the northeast, chilly morning and not quite as warm as the afternoon. Overnight lows in the 20s and 30s with highs in the warm, seasonable 70s. For the ridge, we'll have lows tonight in the 50s and lower 60s. Highs also comfortable, but not as warm as it's been recently, mainly 70s. But Butte Meadows will only reach 68 degrees, 75 for Magalia, and 77 degrees for Paradise. For the valley, we'll have some high clouds tonight, keeping it a little bit milder tomorrow morning. Lower to mid 50s for lows, lower to mid 80s for highs, still about 8 degrees warmer than average, but that's going to change rapidly. And then for the Chico area, lows tonight also in the 50s, highs lower to mid 80s tomorrow afternoon. A really nice day tomorrow, and then it gets much more unsettled. Windy weather Saturday and Sunday with a slight chance for showers in Chico, but bet on more wind than rain, and we're going to be below average all next week. For the Redding area, mid 80s tomorrow, but windy with a slight chance for showers and a great chance for wind this weekend.